Today we're testing out the iScooter iX3, an electric scooter that promises speed, power and a long range, all in a sleek, commuter-friendly package. Let's see if it actually delivers. But let's go real quick with the scooter. Look at the brakes. It has a disc brakes, suspension. These are the brakes in the front and the back. Disc brakes. The motor is, I think it's 800 watts. This one has shocks here, shocks in the front, rubber pad for the feet. It has a turn signals. Let me show you. Look at that. Turn signals, and on the other side too. Cool. Turn signals too. The stand. This one. Rear brake on the left side. Front brake on the right side. It has a screen. It's cool that it comes with a screen for the speed. Tell you about the panel for the buttons. The first one on the top, this one is for the lights. Look at that. Front light, rear light. I can turn it off. This one is the horn. There's the one here is the power on and off button. The S for the speed. You have eco, standard and turbo. Okay, the eco only goes 10 miles per hour. Okay, the standard 18 miles per hour. That's the one I've been using. I think it's very comfortable. That one. And then the other one is the turbo. The turbo goes 25 miles per hour. Amazing. Right now I'm not gonna go that speed because I'm still learning how to use these things. And the last one, this button, last one, is for the kilometers per hour or miles per hour. So I'm gonna leave it in miles, and you can see this fully charged. It's still fully charged. I'm already used it like an hour. That's cool. So the battery lasts long. I'm gonna put over there the battery size in there. Okay, and also to fold it, you can fold down the handles bar, and on the side it has a pin. You can lift it and lift the red tab, and with that one you can fold it down to put it in your car. And the scooter weighs 52 pounds, and when you fold it is 48 inches by 18 inches tall, so it can fit in my car. Cool. And the maximum weight capacity is 264 pounds and with 10-inch wheels. But now it's time to test it, and let's see how good it is. Okay, this scooter doesn't have a physical key, so for that you need to download an app. The app is called Mini Robot, this one. Okay, and you have to turn on the scooter first, and then it's on, and then you have to do a search again. Cool, and now it's connected. You can see the Bluetooth in there. So in the bottom has the lock button. You can lock it, and it has that. And this one, it doesn't move. You see, I'm pressing the throttle and nothing happens. And you cannot even turn it off. Okay, so nothing happens. Then you can unlock it, and now with that you can use it. So in order to lock it, you have to download the app. Okay, cool. All right, we're ready to test the scooter. So I have to lift this one a little bit. Let me lift it. I'm gonna lift all the way. Yeah. So that's the lock. Okay, so we're ready to test it, to turn it on. We have to turn it on in this one. This one. Cool. It blinks here on the camera, but in real life it's not blinking. All right. I don't have a full face helmet, so I'm gonna be using this one for now, and in the future I'm gonna get a full face helmet. Let's go.
This scooter is great. For under $600, the iScooter iX3 is a monster for commuting and weekend rides. It's fast, comfortable, and reliable. If you're looking for an upgrade from an entry-level scooter, this one should be on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more tests like this. If you want to check it out, the iScooter iX3, check out the link down below. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.